Hey everybody, quick update on how to use the new Google Sheets to make a graph. So it's going to be real quick. I just have some random information here that I put in. So the first thing you need to do is highlight your data that you want to graph. So I've highlighted these two columns. And what I do then is come up either to this little icon that says Insert Chart, or I can go to Insert and then select Chart if that's what I want to do. Either one of those will work. This one up top is probably the easiest. So you click that, and the chart will auto create for you. It's taking a little second here. And it'll pop up with what it thinks should be the best chart. So right now it's chose column chart, which isn't correct necessarily. So we need to change that and go to a line chart. So you click up here where it says chart type, and we say we want a line chart. We notice that the information is kind of all over the place, and that's fine. We do want to have something to base this on, so we want to have our x-axis. So what you can do is come over here where it says x-axis and it's blank, it says add x-axis, and click this little grid icon, and it says what data do you want to select. So we're going to say the year is what data we want, so we highlight that and hit OK, and we notice now at the bottom everything is all labeled for us with the appropriate year. Then we want to make sure that we have some information here about our axes. We need to label those. So we come up here to customize, and then we're going to go to chart and axis titles. And the first thing is our chart title. So if you want to put a chart title in, you type that there. And then you can select your horizontal and vertical axis. My horizontal axis was year, and my vertical axis was, let's call it holiday wishes, because it's Merry Christmas versus Happy Holidays. Um, so that's basically how you set up a line graph in the new version of Google Sheets.